Hey everyone, I'm Vanshika and welcome to the channel. You will find all sorts of educational food tech content here. Stick around and let's build a community. Today we're diving into food safety and hygiene in food processing. In today's presentation, we'll cover a few key topics like what is food safety and hygiene, why does food safety matter, types of food hazards, personal hygiene for workers, cleanliness in processing areas, safe food handling practices, food safety standards and regulations, and finally a conclusion to wrap it all. Moving on to the next slide, our first main topic is what is food safety and hygiene. Food safety means ensuring that food is free from hazards and safe to eat. For example, pasteurizing milk make it safe to drink. Next is food hygiene. Food hygiene involves practices that keep things clean and prevent contamination when handling, processing and storing food, like washing your hands before touching food. In this slide, we'll talk about why food safety truly matters. First, it helps prevent foodborne illnesses, keeping consumers safe from health risks like contaminated milk causing serious issues. Additionally, ensuring food safety builds consumer trust, making people feel confident about what they're eating. And of course, it ensures compliance with laws and regulations, which is crucial for any food business to operate responsibly. Moving on to the next slide, that is types of food hazards. So, when we talk about food hazards, we have got three main categories that are biological hazard, chemical hazard, and physical hazard. So, biological hazards are like tiny living organisms like bacteria, viruses, or fungi that can cause illness. Think of salmonella in chicken as an example. Next is chemical hazards. Chemical hazards are things like pesticides or cleaning agents that get into food. And physical hazards are objects you can actually see, like glass or metal fragments. So each of these categories has its own risk. Moving on to the next slide, that is personal hygiene of workers. So, personal hygiene of workers is super important because it directly impacts the quality and safety of the products they are handling, especially in the food industry. For example, when employees wash their hands regularly, wear clean uniforms, gloves, masks, and hairnets, it helps prevent contamination and ensures that everything they work with remains safe for consumers. And that's a big deal for any industry. Moving on to the next slide, cleanliness in processing area. So, maintaining cleanliness in the processing area is essential. Regular cleaning and sanitation prevents contamination. Pest control measures keep the area safe, and proper waste disposal is crucial. For example, if surfaces are not kept clean, they can spread bacteria like E. coli. Next is safe food handling practices. First, always separate raw and cooked foods. This prevents harmful bacteria from raw meat from contaminating ready to eat dishes. Next, maintaining the correct cooking temperature is crucial because it ensures that germs are killed during cooking. And finally, using clean utensils helps keep everything hygienic and safe. In the next slide, we're diving into food safety standards and regulations. For example, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India FSSAI sets the rules for food businesses in India. The FDA oversees similar standards in the US, and globally the Codex Alimentarius ensures uniform safety practices. For instance, in India, having an FSSAI license is mandatory for all food businesses, which helps ensures that everyone maintain high standards. In conclusion, food safety is everyone's responsibility. Good hygiene practices not only protect our health but also strengthen businesses. After all, safe food today means a healthy nation tomorrow. So, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome food tech content. There's plenty more helpful information coming your way, especially if you're interested in the world of food technology.